Hey ladies, I am doing a quick video to show you how to post in the Beachbody Challenge Tracker app. So this is so that you can have posts ready for your challengers so that you're not doing things on the fly. So what I'm going to do is share my screen and show you exactly the step-by-steps and what to do. So let's get started. I'm going to minimize this. Okay, so I am on the teambeachbody.com site. I have signed in, and I'm going to hover over here. I'm going to move my little screen so I can, okay. Hover over the Coach tab, and I'm going to click Coach Office. All right. The other thing I'm going to do is quickly open up my Challenge Tracker portal. This is mychallengetrackerportal.com. So while those are loading, it's going to ask me to sign in one more time. Bear with me, it's being slow. Okay, so Team Beachbody is asking me to sign in again so that I can access my online office. Then I'm going to click this Grow My Business tab right here. I'm going to jump over to that and make sure that my Challenge Tracker portal is all set, and it is. Okay. So I'm not going to create a new group. I'm going to just show you how to make posts in the current group that I have going on right now, which is the Amazing Race Swimsuit Edition. I'm going to click on that. There is a video on how to set up My Tracker Coach portal. So how to set up a group and everything. There's a video in our team page, so that's why I'm not going into that right now. Okay, so hit Grow My Business. And what you'll see here, this is a first step I want to show you. This is one way to access the challenge group tools that Beachbody has provided for us. And they have given us so many great things that you really don't have to reinvent the wheel. So this is where I want to show you. In your Coach online office, you will find all of these tips and tools, sample invites for how to invite people to your challenge group, information on the challenge tracker, and then this amazing tool, Challenge Group Guides. Okay, so this is one way to access this, again, through your Coach online office. You can also access these guides. And so anyways, they break it down, it's getting slow, into the program. So each program has its own guide that Beachbody has already created for you. So you literally just have to copy and paste based on the days that they have given to you. And they also give you a getting started breakdown and how all this works, trainings into the portal, into the app tutorial. It's a great video about the annual Beachbody Challenge Pack that you can be sending people. If you haven't seen that, look. Here's a challenge group guide library. So like I said, all of the programs have their own guide to accompany it. Okay, so that is where you can go in your Coach online office. So I'm actually going to X out of this because we really don't need to be here anymore. Because what's really great about the My Challenge Tracker app, this is again the portal. You need to use your computer for setting up a group and setting up these posts. Just so much easier. So I didn't say that. Get on a computer to do this. I'm going to take a sip of water. Okay. So this is my current group. And what you're going to see on the right side are notifications, scheduled draft posts, post library, and then challenge group guides. So post library is only really relevant if you've done other groups before, because Beachbody will save all of the posts that you've ever written, which is pretty cool because sometimes I like to go back and just like copy and paste what I've done in the past. That makes this really fast. You can write posts on the fly. Here, scheduled and draft posts. You can draft a post. These are all the posts I've scheduled for the upcoming week. But I'm going to go back because I want to show you again. This is where you can access that challenge group guides that I just walked you through. And like they're all broken down into a program. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and I'm just going to pick a program and just give you a good idea of what to expect. We're going to just click, let's do Focus 225. It's a great program. So here is week 0, day 1. So this is kind of like a prep week where you just kind of give them a welcome guide, and so there's a picture you can attach to the post, what to write. Just copy and paste that. Copy and paste this one. I always like to add fun pictures that I can find on Pinterest or on Google, or you can even do just one picture of yourself. But I always have a picture with the post. But again, like I said, all of this is here for you. Just copy and paste it, copy and paste it. So let's just do a quick example of what I would do. This one doesn't have a picture with it, so great example. So I'm copying it, going to Pinterest, find something that's like cute and welcoming. Let's find something that's like cute and welcoming. I just scroll through here. There's a lot of recipes because clearly I was looking at summer recipes and motivational books. But here, look, I can just do this cute little, oh, that's fun. Little rock succulent project here. Actually looks really fun. So I'm going to save that there because I probably don't want to do that. Okay, so I copied that. I'm going to go back into the portal. I'm going to click group feed, add post, paste it, add image. See if my image pops up if I can find it. Sometimes these never save the way I want them to. Nope, that's not it. That's not it, but we'll just pretend it's this, okay? Add image, and you can post now or you can save it for later. And hit the schedule button, which is super important because all of these posts that I'm trying to show you guys how to do, I always schedule my posts at early in the morning, and I always schedule them ahead of time. So I do all a week's worth of posts in one sitting so that I don't have to do this every single day. And then I just check the date. So that would be Wednesday. I make the time, a good time in the morning, which is ideally between 5 and 7 a.m. because that's when people like to do their workouts, like the early birds, and so they'll see something when they wake up and when they're logging their stuff. And because I'm on Pacific time, I have to make sure that it's mirroring Pacific time. So I always do 4 a.m. So I do 4 a.m., then schedule it. But I'm not going to do that now because I already have things scheduled. Okay, so that is all you have to do when it comes to posting in your challenge group. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for listening.